Kani kadeka pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kani kadeka kanhon jongka Aroha Music and Cultural Society Shillong. Kabadan ru ya kanhon rua jongki kena ya kabala kerteng ka Aroha Junior Choir. Kabah ne kasngi kalawan sakman ban ya kendo ya kinong patai kubor ha Shillong Press Club. Ban penpau pajba ya kejiya lenti jong kadeka kanhon ruai ki kena. Ka kanhon Aroha Junior Choir. Kadai kekenhon kabla sajet ban Ïashim Haka 71st Choral Competition. Kaban salong ha Longland ha Wales. Kaban long nadu ka ar hadu ka pratrek unaitung mentau snem arzakat pra. Bat haka ni Rynsan Ïakob ki kenhon choir ki batbetam na kaleng ka pertai ken sawan ban Ïashim lang. Kumba kalong hi menta ka Aroha Junior Choir hapo ka jing petbet jong ka nong seng ya ka Aroha Music and Cultural Society ikong Pauline Wardri kane ka kanhon kalalong ka balakre ban Ïashim Syaka ni Rynsan Ïakob kaban salong ha Wales Henry kumba julong ki wede ki don sap haki babon ki Bynta haba ki syajet bat yolan manaj peni ka sap jongki haka bakot hi ka we ni ki jing ka bahmat kadai haka liang ka jinglut jingsam kumta kane ka kanhon ru menta ka Bynta ka bakongsan ka bakadon kam jeram kadai haka liang ka pisa bat ka jing kemilun ti hi ka bahmat kadai na ka liang ka sorkar ka jinglut jingsap na ka Bynta ki arphongot kinong ruai bat kinong ilam jong kane ka kanhon kan kot kumba sau pholak tengka bat si Bynta ban penmi pisa ka Aroha Music and Cultural Society Shillong haka arp sau trek mutau benai kan sapelong ru ya ka yo debam ne ka food fest hapo All Saints Hall Shillong kaban sedang nadu ka Porsche pho buje shaneng.
The reason that we're here today is because the Aroha Junior Choir is about to undertake a long journey, and that journey is to be showcased in an international competition at Llangollen, Wales. I know that's a difficult name to pronounce. We are going for the 71st Choral International Competition, and I think it is time for us to showcase these youngsters. You can see that there are two young members who have just come from school, and we have two parents in our midst, and we also have some parents and some of our choir members who are sitting at the back. There is an old African saying that it takes a village to raise a child, and I think it takes a whole city to raise a choir. And the choir, I believe, will be representative of what our culture is all about. My children in the choir come from about 11 different schools, and they come from all walks of life and different backgrounds, faiths and communities. And it is really a small, it's a microcosm of the society of Shillong. And I'm happy to say that we have always had an audience to entertain, to enthrall, to educate. And music has always been symptomatic of what happens in society. And here we have these children who are ready to be showcased internationally. They've been training very hard since the month of December. And we've had to raise a lot of funds to go to the UK. We're doing that through food fests. The first food festival which we're holding will be on Saturday at the All Saints Hall from 10 a.m. onwards. And we've also done fundraising concerts. We have managed to get some money, but we are still hopeful that we will get a response from the community at large and from the government. And my appeal is for you to publicize this, because we need to put Shillong on the map once again. And why this international competition? It is important for our children to be trained not only to sing, but to lead disciplined lives. I believe in character building, and the training has been rigorous. And the children have bonded so well, and what is very, very encouraging for me is that we are collaborating with musicians in the UK, and we're doing community choirs together, and we're also meeting with different personalities from the opera world, and this will be a huge opportunity for children to to interact with members from different choirs of the world, and it will also open opportunities for the children who want to take up music as a career. And as you know, the Northeast abounds in talent. So that is in short what the Aroha Junior Choir is about to do.